Freeze all motor functions.
In this game, you can see the existence of predators
Freeze
and
all
prey
motor
to
functions.
different camps. The prey is the fleeing cowboy, and the predator is the police officer in charge of the chase. Backstory:
Freeze all motor
5
functions.
wanted cowboys
Freeze all
in a
motor
desert
functions.
stronghold are discovered by
Freeze
3
all
cops
motor
trying
functions.
to escape amidst the chaos. Cowboy prey: find 3 doors to escape.
Freeze all motor
Every time a
functions.
cowboy successfully escapes, a point
Freeze
is
all motor
added to the
functions.
prey. After the
Freeze all motor
cowboy
functions.
escapes, he will
Freeze all
reappear
motor
here
functions.
and try to escape
Freeze all
again.
motor functions. Freeze all motor functions.
Police hunter: try to capture 5
Freeze all
cowboys.
motor functions.
When the police catch the
Freeze all motor
cowboy,
functions.
the predator's at a point. When the cowboy is
Freeze all
caught,
motor
the
functions.
cowboy will regenerate in this place. This skull has magical powers that will separate the cowboys from the police and prevent the police from entering the group of cowboys.
Freeze all motor functions.
These barrels hold animals,
all motor
and the
functions.
animals will try to
Freeze all
escape,
motor
so the
functions.
barrels will jump
Freeze all
around
motor
as
functions.
obstacles that
Freeze
will
all motor
move.
functions. Freeze all motor functions. Freeze all motor functions. Freeze all motor functions.
Press
Freeze
U
all
to
motor
view the
functions.
cowboy's perspective.
Freeze all
When the
motor
cowboy
functions.
detects the
Freeze all
presence
motor
of
functions.
police in any direction, the
Freeze all
cowboy
motor
will scan the
functions.
surrounding area and run quickly in the direction where there are no
Freeze all motor
police.
functions. Freeze all motor functions.
Likewise, when the
Freeze all motor
cowboy
functions.
finds the door, he
Freeze all motor
speeds up and
functions.
rushes through it.
Freeze all motor functions. Freeze all motor functions.
Press button I to bring up the police view. When the cowboy appears in the view of the police will speed up to try to catch the cowboy and order the cowboy to stop. Cowboys also have flocking behavior. When cowboys touch cowboys, cowboys do not quickly leave as they encounter obstacles, but try to approach another cowboy, so that cowboys are more likely to meet with each other.
Freeze all motor functions. Freeze all motor functions.
Here are some tips. Cowboys have a faster movement speed than cops. Cops have faster acceleration when they spot a cowboy. Cowboys will turn around more often than cops to find an exit. The cowboy will try to find the exit by going to as many places as possible in a short time. The cowboy will take precedence over any other action to try to escape when he finds the
Freeze all
police.
motor functions. Freeze all 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 motor functions.